first time I experienced punch would have been...
Oh, I was 16, 86 Camaro.
One of the Denver Bronco guys had brought out his, forerunner of all things.
One of our classmates had a Mustang, just this really, really exciting, insane noise, right? And that noise was connected to this lifeline.
There's a huge responsibility. Punch by itself is arguably a brand. It sits underneath Rockford Fosgate, but the Punch is what it all started with. It's probably a brand within a brand.
Punch means legacy, heritage, lifeline. Whenever you have a conversation about, car audio or Rockford Fosgate, you always get that Punch question. What happened to the Punch 45? And when you guys are going to do a remake of Punch this and Punch that? So
Punch speakers haven't been redone in a long time, so there's a lot of excitement. I think a lot of people, Punch speakers resonates with their youth and kind of their first systems or their entry into the car audio world. For most of the group, it's the legacy product that they grew up with. The greatness of this project was bringing all those people together to figure out what our Punch speaker is going to be.
Car audio has evolved and Rockford has changed to focus on where people are utilizing their music. It's time for us to come back and make a statement and set the bar high again for what car audio should be in the future.
We kind of took a Swiss Army knife approach. How can we take one speaker and make it fit in all those applications? And that came down to the vehicle specific and mounting flange adapters for that speaker. We put a bayonet locking mechanism to kind of link the mounting flange and the speaker together and lets us fit one speaker in over 100 different vehicle application sizes.
There's a lot of subtle lines, there's a lot of details, there's a lot of passion that went back into the product that a lot of people will never really see.
Each piece of the speaker, whether it's the voice coil, the spider, the design of it, the materials selected from it, were all specifically chosen for their feature benefit.
The goal was for it just to work, just to fit, just to make it easy. And then on the audio side, we had to pay homage to that classic Rockford sonic signature. I made everything black so it wasn't a shiny red cone behind a speaker grill. It's designed to be heard, not seen.
It's something somebody could put into their car and immediately notice an upgrade in sound quality. Definitely one of the most noticeable improvements that you can make.
I'm really excited to get it in the hands of our customers. This is the beginning of re-energizing, the core foundation of the Punch and Rockford Fosgate.